3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone! With the latest iOS 18 update, customizing your iPhone's control center has never been easier or more flexible. In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process of editing and organizing the control center on iOS 18, helping you tailor it perfectly to your preferences. Let's dive in. To get started, open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Once it's open, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to enter edit mode. In this mode, you'll see all the available shortcuts and functions. From here, you can remove any control you don't need by simply tapping on it. This helps keep your control center clean and organized. One of the coolest features in iOS 18 is the ability to resize controls. To make a control smaller, set it to 1 grid. For those that you use frequently, you can expand them to 4 grids, making them easier to access. Certain widgets even have the option to fill the entire page for maximum visibility and convenience. You can also reorganize widgets within the control center by moving them from one page to another. This allows you to group similar functions together or arrange them in a way that feels natural to you. To add new controls, tap on Add a Control, select your desired functions from the list, and they'll instantly appear in your control center. Finally, if you want to delete an entire page, simply remove all the widgets from that page, and it will automatically disappear. This is a great way to declutter your control center and keep it streamlined for your most used features. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can fully customize your iPhone's control center to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.